Very often, variants may require different fields as well, or additional fields added to them, because the parent doesn't actually contain all of the information they need, so it might differ. So in our examples, within here, the parent has an EAN number, but the actual variant has a different EAN number, or some form of barcode or whatever. It could be, in this instance, is showing weight. In our other example of our products, this has got different fields as well. So, if we sort of go into one of these variants, and start to edit it, we're starting to see, this this has actually got quite a lot of information that the customer wants to show. So this is really just about adding the fields into the variant object, and adding them to a page. So into the page that you want to view or edit. So I'm just going to quickly show you that in our system. And I'm just going to add this EAN field, as a text field into the demo environment, and then we'll just display it here. So we've got something different from the parent. So what we need to do is just go up to the variant options. So there are two ways to do this. Go into the object definition. We can see the list of fields that we've got within here. So what I'm going to do is just create a new field, call it EAN. We're not doing any import masks or any deport. We're going to show any. The system allows you to, we don't want to check the changes or whatever, but effectively we'll just add that to that. We're going to add it to various views, so I don't have to do that, and we're going to add it to, don't need to that. We're going to actually add it to the pages in this format. You can do this yourself, but we'll do it there. Now, if I then go back to my product, search that one, go into it, you can see here, I'll just turn off this column here, so we can see it. We'll just turn off these columns as well at the moment. We've already added the value. We can start, we're going to inline edit. So you can see, if I go into the product now, it's added it to the view. But if I actually go into the products itself, it's added it to the page. I can start editing and adding it to the product. So do it in various ways. We'll just do 9 and so on. So here I've added the field to the variant option, put it in the view so you can see it. Let's just switch this off. So just untick that view for a minute. And what you can see is, there's all the EANs that are different, obviously, from the parent. So, when somebody orders this can be used within integration or to an ERP system or to an e-commerce system. We're starting to build up different information regarding, the variants. So they can have different images, they can have different descriptions, you could add attributes, different codes, into the variant that are relevant to your business. So this shows you, how flexible, again, the PIM is in creating products, adding fields very, very quickly, and start to use those, or digital assets or whatever, and start to use those within the system. The next section we're going to have a look at is we're going to delve into, how pricing works, and then we're going to look at stock. and the effect on variance.